Om Sai Ram to all you Baba lovers out there. How have you all been doing? So today, I've always said this. Whenever I do Baba's readings, I sit and I recollect what has happened in my life, or I recollect how things go on. So you all know I have started my next preparations for the next batch of WICCA, and I was wondering, what is a dedication towards your guru? What is guru bhakti? When I teach in Vika that you have to have guru bhakti, you have to be dedicated towards your guru, what exactly it is? See, basically, if you ask me, I would say a guru is a person who can awaken the eagerness and create the awakening in a student, and the student should be so eager to learn the things that the development or the bond grows so strong between a guru and a shishya, that even if they are not physically present for each other, they know that they are physically present for each other. If you see, Hanuman was one such devotee of Lord Rama. For him, Rama was his breath. For him, Bhagwan Ram was like, whatever he says, it will be done. I still remember how my ma'am used to, tell about me that whatever I tell, Pinky will do for me. Because even for me, Guru Bhakti is that. You don't have to be physically present there, but at the same time, you have to see to that, your Guru knows that if it is needed, then my Sishya is there for me. And at the same time, your concentration, your energies, and your work should always make your guru proud. I've always said this to all my students also. A true sishya is a sishya who makes his or her guru proud, because when the guru is proud and when the guru says, yes, that is my student, somewhere the guru is making the universe to understand that the guru is happy, and in turn the god gets happy, because they say mata, pita, guru, and then only devta. So I always say, mother and father, you have to keep them happy. And guru is someone who leads you to the world, who shows you what is right, who shows you what is wrong. And Baba is one such guru. Why I am saying this today is because Baba is one such guru. If you really take him as a guru and lead your life, he will take you to the right path. He will show you what is right for you. He will show you what you need to do. So I hope you all be loyal to your gurus. Whoever your guru is, be loyal to them, be dedicated to them. And I always say, guru ka kaha patthar ki lakir. If my guru says something, then it's just that, and it's nothing else, and that is all that matters to me. And the same way, if you follow, then there is no one as rich as you, there is no one as successful as you. So I pulled out a card, and then again I took out my hands, but let me see. Crush negativity. Do not allow negative thoughts to live in your mind. Believe in Baba and be positive. Again, when we start a guru shishya relationship, we start thinking 101 things. We feel, are we with the right guru? Are we with the wrong guru? Is this guru good for me? See, every karma comes to us for a reason. Some teaches us good lessons, some teaches us how to overcome the bad things we have been through, but everything that happens is for a cause. And if there is a guru which has come in your life, maybe it is a permanent lifeline for you, or maybe it is a temporary lifeline, but end of the day, the guru is a lifeline for you for that moment of life. And so don't have negative things. Just go with the flow, surrender it to the divine, surrender it to Baba, and say, Baba, whatever you have kept in life for me as lessons, I'm ready to learn the lessons. So become positive. Let's see what is the other card. That's the cure. See, your health will improve. Do a daily jap in Baba's name. Maybe some of you are having health issues, because of which Baba is bringing this card, but I don't see these health issues as a very major one. Sometimes even negativity causes health issues. So I even interrelate these cards, if you ask me. So sometimes even the health issues come because of the negative thoughts, the negative energies which we allow to conquer our body. Maybe what you can do is, you can just do Sai Ram, Sai Sham, or Om Sai Nathaya Namaha 108 times every day for 1 week. And shall I tell you something? Just get over the negativity, and maybe you will be healthy, fit and fine, and you don't need to do anything. Just say Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram, Om Sai Ram 108 times, and I'm sure Baba is going to be there and he's going to take care of you. Again, it's a Thursday. Feed some stray dogs. Today, I feel like telling you all to offer Baba some peda, kesar peda, and then you can have it with your family. But kesari peda, the yellow colored peda which we get in the market, pick up a kesari peda and offer him, and then you all can have a Baba blessed day. Om Sai Ram.